Sorry about the lighting. Half my face is lit. Hello everyone. That was a weird start, but welcome to Friday on YouTubeSisters. I hope you have enjoyed everyone's videos so far. They were all great. But now it's my turn to introduce myself to you. Yes, you, because I will be your Friday, so hopefully you like me. If not, then... The first fact about me is that my name is Shona, and I have my own YouTube channel called Shona Fitzpatrick. I will link it below, because it would be nice if you subscribe to that for me. And I make videos on there every Sunday, and I really enjoy doing it. Second, I have a blog. What is this? Yay. That is also called Shona Fitzpatrick. I'll link that below too, so you can go check that out now. I promise the rest of the facts will be actual facts and not just plugging my websites and channel. Fact 3. My favourite animal is an owl. I love owls. Owls. Owl. My favourite girl band singer group is Little Mix. Little Mix. Perry. Little Mix, oh my god. Fact 5. I desperately want to watch The Hunger Games and read The Hunger Games. I think what I'd want to do is watch the first one, then watch the second one, watch the third one when it came out, and then read all the books, or maybe just like watch the first one, read the book, watch the second one, read the book, or read the books and then watch them. I don't know, I just really want to watch The Hunger Games and read them and get into them. I volunteer as tribute. Oh, what am I doing? Fact 6. I am in love with nail polish. I actually have Valentine's-y nails on right now. There's a little heart there. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh. I love nail polish, and my favourite nail polish brand is Barry M, because it is so cheap and so good. Ting! I'm not Grace. Grace face. Grace face! Number 7. I really want to dye my hair, but I don't know what colour because I don't like my hair colour. I don't really like my hair. It's very long. Wee. Number 8. I can solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm not demonstrating that very well with this because it's not solved. But I have done one side and I just kind of didn't finish it off. Hey! My record time is 7 minutes. Don't know how long that took me. I'll see when I edit, and I'll put it here. Is this fact 7 or fact 8? Why's my voice going really weird? Fact number 8. So dramatic. I am in love with candles. I still have 4 of my Christmas candles, which doesn't demonstrate that very well, but I do love candles, and I've just had one burning, but I blew it out because, yeah. One of my favourite book series is Dark Diaries. This is one that I am reading at the moment. I have every single one. I have read them all about 20 times and I am in love with them. They are very good. If you are looking for a good book to read, get these. I promise you'll really like them. Well, I don't promise, but I like them. So if you like me, I meant if you are like me, not if you like me. Shut up, Shona. My final fact is probably not very interesting, but it is that I wear glasses, or contact lenses. Wow, I look so weird. Yeah, these are my glasses. I actually don't have contact lenses in at the minute, but I put my glasses on yesterday while I had my contact lenses in, and I could still see. It was just a little bit more blurry. I don't know why I need to know this, but yeah, that's all the facts about me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to stick around tomorrow for Emma's video. And, oh, sorry Emma, I gave away your name. It's in the channel anyway, and the trailer. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to go check out my channel and all the other girls' channels. And I will see you next Friday. Bye. Fact 5. I need to stop looking at the viewfinder. I'm going to flip it in a minute.